Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I am so excited because this is another PR deck. So this was sent to me and I'm so excited to share it with you. I have not opened it, I don't know what's inside, but from the looks of it, it looks gorgeous. This is the Archangel Fire Oracle by Alexandra Wenman. Wenman, hopefully I am pronouncing that correctly. It's 40 cards in a guidebook. It retails for $25 and it is published by Findhorn Press. So I am so excited. Let's read back. All right. Archangel Fire Oracle is an interactive alchemical healing deck that has been channeled to assist in global awakening. The Oracle takes you on a transformational journey through the sacred flames and colors of the diamond rainbow spectrum. Each card guides you through the diamond fire alchemy process to enable you to embody the gifts and qualities of an archangel. The goal is to become an angel, to live as the most divine aspect of yourself, so you may align to your soul purpose, create your version of heaven on earth, and achieve enlightenment within daily life. The 40 archangels arranged in 17 suits, oh wow, are also associated with specific chakras, crystals, essential oils, magical sigils, and star systems. Working with these sacred keys initiates a powerful alchemical process within you, which heightens your senses, enhancing your own connection to the angelic realms. So take a deep breath and step onto the rainbow bridge. Heaven awaits. Ooh, I am so excited. Okay. So you already know I am really loving the kind of Art Nouveau kind of style that this box has. So I am super intrigued on what the rest of the deck looks like. So there's the inside. I really like how the cards are cradled in this kind of container within the container, because then they're not sliding all over and going crazy. All right, so let's just take a flip-see through the guidebook real fast. It's pretty thick for an oracle deck. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of info. Okay, so let's see. Wow. Okay, what are archangels and how to work with them? And so then it goes into how to use this oracle and then each of the card meanings. And so we do have the different suits. We have, well, I don't need to go through all of them with you. And then we do have 6 spreads at the end of the book. And look, Diana Cooper did a foreword. Hey. Aw. All right, let me just real fast see if there's anything else that jumps out at me that we need to see. Just use it as you would a normal oracle deck, it looks like. All right, let's go through and flip through these cards. Now, I am not an archangel expert. It is not something that I know much about at all. However, I can appreciate the concept. Look at the back. That is really cool. Little sigils. I love the gradient. And it's like a semi-gloss. So there's not a lot of glare. So that's really nice. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. Oh, what? Stunning. So there really isn't like borders per se, but there is like this Art Nouveau aesthetic going on around it, which I am here for. Looks like they have their each own individual sigil there. Wow. I was not prepared for how beautiful this deck is. Oh my. Okay, this is giving me all of Thor vibes. I'm so sorry. I just recently watched Thor Ragnarok. But giving me Thor vibes. I am impressed. Wow. And I mean, I don't even have to say it. It's there. Diversity is there. Wow, this is not a all white angel deck. That is, oh, I love this so much. It is gorgeous. What? Like, honestly, it's making me feel some kind of way, and it's a good thing. It is just so positive and so, like, you get this feeling of just uplifting and positivity. And this is really cool with the flying saucers. I love that. Wow, it's not your average angel deck at all. I am super impressed with this. Wow. She-Ra. That's what I'm getting from this. I love it. Wow. Love. Oh my God. I love this card so much. The colors, the fact that she's a mermaid. Oh my God. The little sea turtle. Okay. Peacocks. Oh my gosh. The peacocks. I can't with this deck. I love this. I don't even know anything about this deck, but I'm here for it. I'm loving this. Oh my gosh. I had no idea what to expect out of this deck, if I'm completely honest with you. I had no idea. I had no expectations, nothing. And I am so thrilled already with what I'm seeing here. Baby. The colors are just so vibrant. Wow. Hello, little skull and raven or crow. This is so cool. The lilies. I'm excited to get into the guidebook. Oh, little owl. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry if like my oohs and ahs are annoying you right now, but I was not expecting this at all. Wow. Oh my. There's a lot to take in on each card. Wow. Goodness sake. Wow. I am just in complete awe right now. Just a couple more cards here. Stunning. Oh my goodness. All right. Well, let's go ahead and see how it shuffles. Not an issue. The cardstock feels like your average cardstock. It's not super thick and it's not super thin. It still snaps back just fine. I don't feel like it's that flimsy. It's not super thick, but like, again, you guys know me. I'm not that much of a card snob. So as long as I can manipulate it in shuffling, we're okay. And it shuffles fine here. They're not sticking together, which is fantastic. Is there a card that wants to pop out to be read? There we go. All right. Oh, it's the Thor card. Of course it is. All right. Sandalphon? Sure. We're gonna see if there's pronunciation guides in the book because that is what I need. So this is number 5. And it does have the page numbers here in the front on the guidebook, so that helps too. So page 36. Oh, it's for prayer. Okay. Interesting. Oh, wow, there's a ton of information. Okay. The angel who truly links heaven and earth, Sandalphon, is known as the tallest angel, so gigantic, in fact, that it is said to take 500 years to travel from his feet to his head. Like his twin Metatron, Sandalphon is one of only 2 angels who previously walked the earth as a human. He was the prophet Elijah. He is charged with looking after our planet and taking our prayers to God, weaving them into a crown of daisies. Often symbolized by a wheel of fire, Sandalphon is also known as the wheel of the divine chariot. And like his image in the card, he keeps our feet planted firmly on the ground while we embark on our journey of enlightenment. For this reason, Sandalphon is the ideal angel to call on when you are doing any meditation or healing work. His grounding influence will deepen your experience and help you to put your esoteric knowledge to practical daily use. With Sandalphon's super grounding influence, you will always feel safe and at home wherever you are on earth. Known as the patron angel of music, Sandalphon presides over the heavenly spheres and angelic choirs. He helps you to embrace your gifts and make sweet music from your life. And here is a message. It says, surrender your requests and worries to heaven so you can make space for positive change. Wait for a miracle. I am here to receive your wishes, and I am working to help you manifest your hopes into tangible form. And then it says how to meet Sandalphon. And then Diamond Fire Alchemy, Wheel of Miracles. Call on Sandalphon to anchor you to anchor and ground you so that you can feel more safe and at home here on Mother Earth. Imagine that this huge angel is now stepping into your energy field, so the 2 of you completely merge and become one being. Imagine you have grown to fit his size, and you can feel what it would be like to be as big as this gigantic angel. As you tower over Earth, feel your feet as Sandalphon's feet, rooted right down through all the dirt, rocks, minerals, magma, and into the core of the planet. Feel, see, sense, or imagine that your head is somewhere up amongst the stars, and you can see the entire universe from his vantage point. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, anything else? Oh, there's more. Okay. So then there's more ways to feel, to ground and use him, and then become the angel. Okay. So, oh, this is a suit. So let me just make sure that we're in the correct suit. Okay, so how we know we're in the suit. Angels of the Russet Ray. Color or flame would be deep brown or deep red, brown, copper. Chakra would be the Earth Star chakra. Location beneath the feet. Grounding, connection to Earth, being in the now moment, clearing karma, security, balance, love for life, and contentment. Then we have crystal associations. We have essential oil, sandalwood, and then the star constellation, and then the sigils. Wow. Okay. There is a lot of info here. Some of you might be a little put off by the kind of heaven and God connotations in here. However, I don't feel like they're a big deal how I read them. I feel like this is more of a tool for you to use rather than a religious type thing, if that makes sense. But I mean, you have all of this information, all of these spreads. The quality is there. Oh, we have some prayers. You know, it doesn't bother me at all as far as the religious aspect goes, because I feel like there's always going to be a place for something, and you can in turn associate that with how you pray and how you are your own religious ways. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't find this offensive at all as someone who doesn't believe in that or doesn't follow that path. However, I feel like there's a lot of great information in here. The fact that it's just so diverse and beautifully done, and I feel like there's just something for everyone in here, is just amazing. I really don't have anything to complain about with this deck. The quality of this cardstock is just fine. I don't have an issue with that. I love the fact that they're using sigils, because that's a new one as far as the decks that I own. I haven't seen that. So that can help a lot of you who like to use sigils and to call upon those and use those in your workings as well. So let me know what you think. I'm kind of impressed. I am really taken aback by the gorgeous artwork. Like, I'm loving it. So I'm curious to know what you guys think of it. Do you think that it is something that you're interested in? Do you think that it was done right? Do you think that it's something that you would purchase or you're going to pass on? What are your thoughts and opinions? Let me know down in the comment section. And as always, thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for spending your time with me. Thanks for, just being here. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.